These are the samples of ready-made PVC windows, already with glass and sliding net. As you can see, it has a net, and there, that's the window. Is 60 by 60 for the price of 2,700 pesos. There's already the mosquito nest, and that's the lock. They also come in other sizes. As you can see, it's already framed and ready to go. You only have to screw it into your window sizes. This one, this is the size, and this is the price. It has a screen that you can see here, a window screen, and that's the glass. And so far, that's the only windows that's already PVC made that's available here in City Hardware. That's how it looked like. I'm just showing you what's the ready-made windows, but I'll still be giving you some prices of the windows through made to order. These are the ready-made windows made of wood. This one costs 512 this size, which is 450 by 1.2. That's the colored one. That's 512. You also got the steel casement, the steel windows, in which you can make the sizes of your roof according to the sizes available. You only have to add the glass from the inside. And this one is 6,624. The size is, oh, that's the sizes. That's 140 by 140. Go around here and see the other sizes of steel casement windows. This one, and that's the size. And that's how it looks. Oh, this is the one we're looking at. That's the size then. $6,624, and that's how it looks like. Some prefer this type of windows because you just put it in direct. You make your window sizes to the size of the steel casement, and you only have to add glass. And these are the steel doors with standard sizes. 80 by 220. It's already got a jam. 6,400 pesos. pesos. These are the other doors. Mura na siya inyong windows available dong kani og kadto. Wala lagi mo atong gagmay nga kuan katong gagmay nga steel casement. So they usually, you can all research this Buena Vista steel casement. They have different sizes of their steel casement windows because all you need to do is just add the glass where the frame is by yourself. You can have it cut, measure it and have it cut in your local glass dealer. And it's safer. You don't need to frame your windows, it's already framed. So it is protected from people coming in through the windows because they have to break through the steel.